Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find winning products through AI. Like you will just use AI tools and you are gonna find some trending products in market and you can just sell them or dropship them so you can generate profit. The products which will provided by the AI is very free and I will share you a trick to get always lifetime access for free. And even guys, this tool is used for free good products. Okay, like I will tell you, I will explain you how you can find the good products with AI, and I will give you all the knowledge. The tool name is Tradelle. Okay, now you just go to description box link, and it is not sponsored by anyone, I found this website and just telling you all the details. To be very honest, the tool is very easy and convenient to use, and even the tool provide good ideas for trending products, and even their data are very accurate and correct, and which I like the most of this tool. And you can just go to my description link to access the tool. Like you can see, there are a lot of features like automatic tracking, automatic shipment. Although they provide shipment too, you can deliver product through them, and they will charge very less amount according to other suppliers. So this is very convenient tool. Like they are providing very much things. You can just sign up for get started for free or login, and then after that you will found some interface like that. You have to click on own store, then after drop shipping, then get started. Okay, like here it is written script trial and get full access. Okay, like you have to click on start free trial, and now the main game starts guys. Here you can find a lot of product which is trending products or like winning products, we can say. For drop shipping, you can use them. Okay, if you see there are product picks, you can just click on them, like dancing star plush, and this is on trending, so that's why they are recommending us to sell it. Okay, you can check, like go to Amazon link, like the price of the product currently selling and other details for the product, like it is selling or not. And then after you can check other on other suppliers also what is the price of the product. And here it is also written product cost like $5.75, selling price is $14.99. so you can see the margins or average margins whatever you can earn, and other things depend on your country and region where you sell your product, so that profit depends on also on that. Like here it is written $9.24 profit on per product sell. Okay, now if you see there are fulfillment by Tradelle. There are lot of analytics which you can use for your own strategy, and you will find product demand and saturation, when the product goes on peak or whatever, if even if it go down, that data will recommend it to you, and you can see the suggested country where the product has potential to get sold. Okay, so you must check these details before selling the products. When it is closer to one, you have high potential to sell the product on those countries, and you can import to Shopify the product directly from them. They will supply it from you, and although they can fulfill order, as I told you, from your side on behalf of them. Okay, so this is very simple and convenient tool to use. Like you can find a lot of product in there, and even you can generate ideas from them or create your own product or whatever you want. Okay, so the tool is very good, and they show accurate data and real data. And like if you click on current trends, they will recommend you all the trending products which are going currently trending, so you can just use them and sell on dropshipping. Okay, like on model of dropshipping, this is very convenient. You can find product on AliExpress even from them, so very simple to use. You can chat from their customer experts, so if you have any doubts or questions, you can ask just simply from them. You just have to now run the ads and get the best outcome whatever you can. Okay, so if you see product demand and saturation, again it is written like the product is booming right now, and whatever this show you, this is very real. I've already used and checked and verified all those things. Okay, now you can just learn their key metrics or whatever before selling the products, and do your own market research, so that your money is not wasted lot of in ads. Before selling any product, you must do research on the product.